Hello to another episode of a Tech Talk with AMD Computers, and today we have my technician Mike with us. Hello, Mike.
Hello.
How are you?
Pretty good.
And we'll be talking about gaming computers today. As you know, we've been building machines since 1995, a long time. Mm-hmm. My first gaming computer and myself I had was a 486 back in the days, which was quite a fast machine back then, but nowadays it's nothing. So we're going to show you what we have to offer in our store. We build machines every day.
That's right.
And you are the man who built them, right?
Most of the gamers, yeah.
Exactly.
So this particular one is a Ryzen 9 9000 series, 7000 series rather. It does have a 7900 XTX graphics card as well, so it's like one of the best cards you can buy from AMD currently. An 8 GB motherboard, DDR5 RAM, and it's got a lot of water cooling fans on the side, which will light up any color you want. RGB, of course.
Beautiful machine.
Some people like RGB, some people don't, but we offer both. And then, of course, it is a height Y40 case, so you can do a vertical GPU setup. Yeah.
Hey, pay attention, ACT Computer, this is Michael, this is Jorgen.
Yes, it is.
Listen their story. Really interesting. Don't miss out, okay? Bye.
Wow. Don't know who that was, but that was amazing.
So, I mean, you have a lot of power inside here, and you can play pretty much any game out there.
Yeah. Quite a cool machine. I mean, this one we have obviously in many different colors. We can do blue, red, what else? Black, white.
It comes in, this particular case comes in black, white. You can also get the Snow White edition. It's like a limited where it's all white instead of just the black insides.
Right.
And there are different models, of course, that we offer, like the Y60, same company. It's a little bit larger if you need more room. And then, of course, there's other cases we sell, like Corsair.
And you can see here, this one is quite amazing because it has two glass panels. We took one side off so it's not a reflection for the camera, but you can clearly see it's very open.
It's a showcase case.
Oh yeah. So this is like the display. If you want to impress somebody, you put this on your table and it looks fantastic.
But it's a good value too, so it's not like very expensive technically.
No.
It's a really good case for the price because it does come with the GPU riser integrated into it. A lot of those risers are about anywhere from $50 to $100 if you buy a case without it. So this one comes with it. It's pretty nice.
And I'm a big guy with cable management. I don't like seeing cables everywhere, like a cable salad. You open a computer and everything falls out. This one, all the cables are nicely behind the motherboard, trimmed underneath, zip tied together.
That's right. There's
airflow.
There's a fan over here actually to give you airflow for the graphics card. Then of course you have your fans up here.
Right. It's hard to see in the camera, but this is actually open. This is like a
ventilation
grill here where the air comes out. And you'll notice even on these high-end video cards nowadays, which I was amazed about. We have the video cards here, like these we're showing right there. This is the what is this? An AMD Radeon.
So the company that makes this is XFX. They've been around for a while. It is a 24 gigabyte model. Show that in the camera a little bit more.
Amazing.
But it's a really good company, good value for this particular card.
Yeah, it's amazing. That card. So this one. What would this card go for normally?
If you buy them online, they run MSRP $1,000. Sometimes they have sales. You can get them for like $900 if you're lucky. But in terms of power performance from NVIDIA standpoint, I mean, you would be spending about $1,200 to $1,500 for the same performance NVIDIA side. The only difference is, of course, ray tracing. If you're a big fan of ray tracing and you want the graphics to be perfect,
NVIDIA,
then you might want to go with NVIDIA for ray tracing. These are still capable, but a little bit less in frame rates.
So this one compares to the NVIDIA what series?
The 70 or the 4800.
4800.
Yeah, this is the 7900 XTX.
That's quite high end then. That's very high end.
It is just as good as the 4800.
And now we are showing the processor. This is the AMD.
It's a Ryzen 9. That's
Ryzen 9. So somebody doesn't know, processor's right here on the motherboard. This one is water cooled, obviously, so you have this nice heatsink, which is made by what company?
This is Deepcool.
Deepcool.
It's one of the better brands out there.
Also, also the water cooling is all done, right? As a kit.
It is an all-in-one unit, so it's all pre-manufactured. You do have to install the fans onto the radiator, depending on how you're going to angle it. And of course, you do have to install the actual water block, but it does come one piece. You don't have to do the tubing and everything.
Right.
Yeah, it's not a custom loop, so to speak.
Exactly. So what Mike was explaining here, in the old days, when water cooling first came out, we had a lot of customers who were concerned. It's like, oh my God, I'm going to have liquid in my computer. Dangerous.
And these are all tested in a laboratory factory somewhere, so chances are very slim that it's going to leak unless you do something on your own.
Exactly, unless you puncture something or something isn't done right.
Worst case scenario with an all-in-one unit like this is, like, let's say 3 years from now, it may start to lose some water. And they are refillable if you know how to do that, but I would probably just replace the unit unless it's still under warranty.
So it's a totally closed system then?
It's a totally closed system. Some of them do have an option to refill the reservoir.
Wow, amazing.
But I wouldn't do that.
So this basically comes with the heatsink, the piping, and the radiator all in one, right? This is
Everything you
all
need
one
is
unit.
in the box from the manufacturer.
We can see the radiator is right here, right? Is that the one?
The radiator is up top.
Right
You
on
can't
top.
really see it. Then you have your 3 fans.
The three
This
fans.
is 360, so it has 3 fans total. There are smaller blocks, 240s and 260s, which will be 2 fans. But for this particular processor, you want a lot of cooling if you want to maximize the performance. So we put a triple rad on there. You can even get a little bit more advanced if you want to and get a 4 fan cooler. So I mean, it's a 4060 or a 4080, but you would need a much bigger case, full tower.
One thing I would like to address, because we built some machines and seen just about everything. We build machines for a lot of customers, and then also we repair machines that come into our shop that are built in by enthusiasts or by first timers and making mistakes. And I would like to address with you what's really important here is the airflow, right?
Yeah, a lot of pre-builds don't come with the proper accessories, so to speak.
Right.
They just give you the minimum. So they'll give you a really minimum motherboard. It's not like a really good brand, so to speak. Sometimes it's good enough, and it'll do the job then. But if you upgrade something or want to upgrade something later, that's when it becomes an issue, like loading more RAM or throwing a better graphics card in. They only put a power supply powerful enough for that sale. So if you ever upgrade your power supply, you'll definitely have to come see us or somebody equivalent to replace that power supply for something that'll work. And then, of course, cooling-wise, you will need at least, you know, if you have a airflow case, there'll be 2 or 3 fan options in the front. You'll definitely need that.
Because we have the, as we can see here, we have the cooling fans, right? So these are the cooling fans. You can show these.
Hello, lady gamer. This is the best computer for you to play. Don't forget to talk to Michael. How much it is?
How much is it? This one is
3,000. This is the big on sale at ACD Computer. Just give us a call. Phone number
772
772
567
567
7888.
7888.
Correct. And
If you pick up your phone and call, somebody will help you out. This is the good deals if you are a gamer. Even though you are the boy or the girl, woman or man, this is the good joy.
Yes.
Very good at your table. Call.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very nice machine. Thank you very much. Thank you. Wow, that was very enthusiastic. Wow.
Yeah, and in terms of people bringing in computers for replacements and things, we also will build something if you buy all the parts. So we will just do the labor cost at that point and make sure that you have everything correctly compatible with what you bought. And if you don't have the proper parts, we will recommend something as a replacement.
Yeah, we have many pre-built machines in stock already. We have actually a showroom that's full of gaming machines right now.
Yeah, we have 3 height cases right now. We have an i9, i5. We have the Ryzen series, which we're now carrying. Something that we are new into is the AMD. You know, we opened up, made it more flexible for gamers to come to the shop if they want to do that. Yeah.
So what do you recommend? AMD and Intel. What's the big?
I mean, for gaming, if you want a better value, the AMD is the way. I mean, there's a 7800X3D right now. It's one of the best processors you can buy for gaming. If you're doing productivity, workflow, you can still use AMD, but you would probably look at like their 12-core or 16-core processors. And they're just as good as Intel in some cases, but you're probably going to want Intel brand if you're doing really serious work. But AMD is great.
So I always recommend Intel for any kind of business work, commercial work. I think AMD is great for gaming. In the past, we always had issues. We had some issues with AMDs in the past, long time ago, of overheating. I think those are way gone. Those problems. We don't have these anymore.
Every company has their issues as they are trying to work out the kinks and find out what's good and bad.
Yes.
But AMD laptops, for example, are really good too. Power efficiency. I mean, they're probably in some cases better than Intel in terms of battery efficiency.
Yeah.
But it really depends on what you're doing.
Yeah, and you just built an AMD gaming machine for myself. I hadn't had a gamer for a long time, so he just built one for me, and this thing is really quick. Yeah. Very fast machine. Now I need to start playing some games on it.
Really good value. Like I said, if you're looking for something good value and it's just as good as Intel for a gamer, AMD is kind of the way to go.
Exactly. And we'll have some more information about this particular machine, other ones in the comments below. Also some advertising there on what we actually have. We are,
good builder.
yes, he's very good.
Talk to him. Talk to this guy. He is the master of the computer games.
Yes, he's our ninja here, building the machines. Very talented. I'm glad to have him. So anyway, we're located in Vero Beach, as you know, at 1525 US 1. And our phone number again is 772.
567-7888.
Right, and our website is www.actcomp.us. You'll find our videos on there, all our products on there, most of them, but a lot of stuff we built up, that's only really in our showroom. So you got to come in and visit us, because that's the best way to really experience what we have to offer. We are about 3,500 square foot store. We have a lot of things to offer there in parts, components. We build machines every day, and we also repair machines all day. So
And if we don't have it, we'll get it.
exactly, we'll have it there.
And if you need help, come see us. Of course.
Exactly. And also, if you have any questions, about building machines or you need assistance, don't be afraid to call us. We help all our customers out. Even if you're not a customer, we don't mind giving you some advice, because we've done this for a long time. We've seen most of the problems and can avoid things.
Yeah. A lot of times it's a simple fix.
Yeah.
It's not
So
really
we come
gonna
back one
cost
more
you a lot.
time to the airflow, because I forgot about telling you that. So I always want to make sure people realize, how is the air supposed to flow in this machine? Is it a push and pull thing, or how does it work?
I mean, you always want fans on the side or the front
Mm-hmm.
to bring air in, because if you're bringing air out, you're just fighting the current.
You're just going against each other, right?
Exactly. You don't want air going from the top inside and then out the front. You want the front pulling in the air and going out the top, like an exhaust system on a car. Same thing with the fan in the back. Even if you have, let's say, a water cooler, you don't
Right.
want air to come here and then out. You'd always want it to go
It just builds up.
this way.
Right.
Yeah, you always want it going forward to back.
Because I've seen it many, many times where the fans are rotated the wrong way.
Yep.
If you rotate them the wrong way, they
A lot
are
of
blowing the
overheating
wrong way.
issues is just they don't have enough cooling, or the fans are there's no
Right.
fans, or the fans are pointed in the wrong direction.
You can spend hours
And they're all over.
figuring things out, tweaking the motherboard, and it's as simple as a fan rotation.
Yeah.
Very.
Little training, a little expertise always helps.
Or we've seen it also where, things are being installed like the cooling fan and the actual little plastic piece.
Yeah, it's one of the common mistakes. Even manufacturers, I've seen some of the pre-builts, they'll have any kind of cooler. It has little film strips. Some of them come with a film strip to keep the copper from getting damaged.
Protective, right?
And yeah, that would be a big problem because you can't cool it. There's no
Exactly. Now the cooling is
transition.
really compromised.
Exactly. A lot of them come with pre-built applications, though, where the thermal paste is already installed and you don't have that issue.
Right.
But some
Right.
do.
Exactly. Beautiful machine. Thank you very much, and also thank us to our lovely assistant here, showing our lovely products. Thank you. Thank you. And then we show one more time. So this is the
Hello, one more time. See me again. This is
video card.
That's the video card, 7900 XTX from AMD, and this is the Ryzen 9 7900X.
Yes.
And then don't forget, this is the guy. He will help you out if you have the problem with the custom game computer builder,
That's
right?
That's right.
Yeah. And then call him. He will help you. He will find out the solution, the best for you, the speed and the price and whatever you want. He never say no. He always say yes. Make you happy, big smile. Yes. Call him Michael at ACD Computer.
Great.
Or everything he do, computer game all day long. So he never say no.
Right.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye.
ACT.
Thank you. And it's bye from us too. Thanks for watching. Till next time.